Good evening. With COVID case counts on the rise across the country, New Mexico health officials provided an update about what's happening here.
And it is almost deja vu with a new variant fueling another surge in cases. And there's both good news and bad news. Let's get to News 13's Gabe Chavez with the latest. Gabe.
Just weeks ago, health officials say the Delta variant made up most of, if not all of COVID cases in New Mexico. Now, Health Secretary Dr. David Scrace says we're back on track for Omicron to take over soon.
Omicron is here. It's serious. In another week or two, it'll be 100% of the cases of the new cases in our state.
Across the U.S., the CDC estimates 95% of COVID cases are related to the Omicron variant, a strain of COVID that health officials say is more transmissible, but overall presents less risk of severe illness for those infected. COVID-related deaths and hospitalizations are down since last month, but remain high, and health officials hope to see those numbers decrease as Omicron sweeps across the state. Still, people feeling sick want to know if they have COVID, and getting quick access to tests has been a challenge lately. The Department of Health says if you test positive with a rapid at-home test, to trust the results, and there's no need to seek out a PCR test.
I know so many of you have been trying to get tests, and there is a national shortage of tests because of Omicron. So as you can imagine, there's a lot of people looking for tests because they're symptomatic or they're exposed.
Between December 6th through this week, 66% of cases remain in unvaccinated people, and 88% of COVID deaths were for those who are unvaccinated. Between Christmas and New Year's, the state doled out more than 1,400 monoclonal antibody treatments for people with COVID-19. But the bad news, the DOH says 2 of the main antibody treatments are not as effective against Omicron, and there is a limited supply. Back to you.
All right, Gabe, thank you. Dr. Scrace says the state has doubled its order of treatments and will have a distribution plan by Friday.
The state is reporting 2,500 new cases of COVID-19 today. That's the highest daily case count we have seen since November of 2020. Nearly 1,000 of those are in Bernalillo County. The state is reporting 24 recent deaths. 497 people are in the hospital.